Hell yeah, boys. Hell yeah. Let's freaking go. I hate to steal another idea from Hazer, but I just figured out that everyone has access to the VODs of the pro players this season. So of course I'm going to be reacting to POVs. Do not know how to use Spectator. Literally just open this up. It is 2 in the morning right now. No fucks given. We're doing this. Hopefully I figure out how to use Spectator during this. Who do we want to spectate? We're going to spectate one person the whole time. We're going to do... I was going to say Pagon, but... Pagon's playing Susanoo. Do we really want to watch Susanoo mid? When we want to watch something a little more traditional? Definitely a dragon. We definitely got to spectate a dragon, right? Pagon's cracked though. Everybody wants to watch Pagon though. I just wish he was not playing Susanoo. If I remember this game correctly, Final K doesn't do well on the Gilga, so you probably don't want to watch him. I'm thinking about watching Sam. Panic Hat would be pretty boring to watch. At least, yeah, nah, I would. We'll do Sam. We're gonna watch Sam. So let's see. Is there a way to speed the game up? Which number is Sam? Okay, Sam is 6. Let's see, guys. I need to figure out how to speed the game up. I'm gonna look this up real quick. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Bruh. I honestly can't find it. That's crazy. Nobody uses Spectator and Smite, so nobody knows how to use it either. I literally looked it up and there's not a single written thing. There's probably a YouTube video, but there's not a single written thing. That's crazy. Is it the plus button? Nah. No clue. Really don't care about gold per minute. Let's go to player damage. Yeah. Am I just gonna press every button on the keyboard until I find it? Might be time to press every button on the keyboard till I find it. Okay, I can do it like this. I can do it like this. Let's see, how do you bring up... items? There we go. Okay. Let's go, boys. Going for the eye start. I respect that. And this is the game you built Book of Thoth first. Interesting. We're gonna try to not make this video super long. And again, I hate to steal another idea from Hazer, but come on, this is awesome. This is like the best video idea ever. That was an excellent blink. Definitely saved Pagon's cocky ass just now. But yeah, we're just gonna speed up through his farming. Ooh. Haddix was almost there in time. Let's see. Crafts. Okay, so this is how you see what he's leveling. He's leveling the 1, which, I mean, obviously the 1's just got the shortest cooldown. The VODs being available to everybody, this is going to be so helpful. I'm definitely going to watch every single support player's POE till the end of time. And I'll probably be watching a few other POEs too. Like, I do want to watch a Pagon game, but maybe one of his Thoth games, honestly. I want to watch a Pagon Thoth game. Maybe we should switch to Pagon for a little bit. Let's just see what Pagon's cheeky ass is doing on Susanoo. Let's see what number he is. Okay. Did we already miss Pagon's soloing Venenu? Yeah, we did. Okay, speed this up. Ooh. Bunching up the wave and then hitting it with your 1. Let's go. Good clear, good clear. Only thing I can say so far, you know, pro players and their slow ass game. Oh. That's just a peel ult. Just trying to save Mike there. Not much you can do when there's 3 people in mid. I mean, one thing I could do, instead of just watching one person the whole time, I can just switch depending on who's doing what. Like when someone's making a good play, I watch them. That dash was huge. He actually dodged a lot there. I mean, that'd probably be a decent idea. Just watching whoever is doing good in the moment. It would be hard for me to tell that, but I mean, I can always just do this. This goes back, right? How much did that go back? 610, 658. It's a good amount of seconds. What, like 30? I don't know. I can't count. This is how it's gonna be spectating a jungler. I mean, that's just this game, bro. Especially with pros. They're just farming for most of the game. Ooh. Ooh, he's catching him out. Highly unfortunate. Okay, no. We're not letting that happen. Which number is he? Which number is he? What number is Wait, who's Pagon playing again? Okay, I'm a dumbass. I am such a dumbass. I forgot he was on Susanoo. Especially since he's doing Sam's yellow right now. Like, can't really blame me. Let's watch him solo Venenu. Is what I'm guessing is gonna happen. It might not be a solo, but I'm getting excited to watch this. He's looking for it too, dude. Look what he's looking for, dude. I mean, this is cheeky as hell. I mean, this is as big dick as it gets. Dude. What level is Nanu? 7 to 9. I mean, yeah. That's the kind of shit you can do when you're 2 levels up and you're goated. That's just knowing. That's just knowing your damage, man. Knowing your capabilities. And then hitting everything afterwards. That's crazy. I kind of do want to just watch Pagan the whole game just because, like, just curious how you play Assassin mid throughout the entirety of the game. I kind of want to watch Mike too, though. We gotta watch Mike a little bit, guys. This E set. What items is he on? Leveling his 1. All that does is give you more damage. And it's damage over time. It's like, unless you hit all of them, it's less damage than your Spirit Ball. And your Spirit Ball at max range is probably still better even if you hit all of them. What? Doesn't even make sense. Right? Yeah, that doesn't even make sense at all. That's insanely surprising to me that Mike did that. Absurdly surprising. And obviously on support you want to be leveling the 3, right? But if you're going to go for damage, I thought you would go for the 2 over the 1. But I don't know, I mean, I guess he's just wanting to help himself farm. Because, I mean, you're always going to hit every single one on the, you know, minions and such. So in that way, it makes sense. I just don't know if it's worth it. I feel like I'd rather just level these 2 and just have worse farm. Especially the 3, man. I can't believe you're not leveling up the 3. See items. He started Spirit Robe first. He's been loving Spirit Robe first on these mage supports. He's been loving that. I don't hate it. Do I love it though? I don't know. Yeah, I don't love it. The only thing I could think is if like mage supports were just super easy to kill early game, but I don't think you're even super easy to kill early game, honestly, on a lot of mage supports. Especially Isis. I feel like Isis has a lot of survivability. Especially because you're going to be building Lona's mask next anyways. But I mean, I guess at an SPL level, if he gets caught out, it's way easier to die, right? Might be like an SPL level type of thing. Let's see if we can get Mike doing something. Get a little idea of how the pros play the E sets up. Right now he's just getting zoned. That's a steal. Yeah, that is a steal right there. That was nice. I think... Is it HUD editor you go to? It's probably not HUD editor, right? Maybe it is HUD editor. What's the thing that... No, it's not HUD editor. Let's see. I think there's a way to change the names up here, but I have no clue. I honestly probably am going to be doing more videos like this, so I probably will at some point end up looking up how to do Spectator like a pro, and I'll have these videos way better the next time. Let's switch back to Pagan. If you guys don't know how to do this, if I remember, I'll put it in my description. If not, leave a comment, and obviously then I'll do it. I love the pressure. I love the decision to blink over, and then they get the steal off of that. Gonna have to spectate some Panda Cat late game. Let's see. Go back to 1. That was huge. That was a huge ult. Just a perfectly positioned ult there. How come? There we go. Let's spectate some Final K for a change. Even though, if I remember correctly, it doesn't do that much this game. You got the Gold Fury. Damn, he's beating that ass. Something that's probably insanely helpful for solo lane players is to watch these and just watch how they are playing their early game on all these different characters in the laning phase. Just watch their laning phases. Teach at a laning phase like a pro. That'd probably be absurdly helpful if you're able to like deduce why they're doing what they're doing, because it's one thing to watch it, but you also have to understand why they're doing it, which since they're not there to tell you yourself, you're gonna have to be able to do that part yourself. How far in? 16 minutes in? He's chasing, he's chasing. Missed the kick. Yeah, nah, Cyclone wasn't getting out of that one. Man, they are so far ahead of them in gold. I'm gonna pause it. One thing that I've noticed about the dragons, and it's slightly surprising because I feel like the kings are more known for this. A big reason why the dragons have been winning so much is not just them being better mechanical players or out drafting or anything like that. Their macro and their farm is insane. They play and farm the map so well. Like absurdly well. Like they make some of the other teams look like noobs sometimes. I really want to see how Final K plays a team fight, bro. Solo, solo, solo. He stands no chance. He has Scepter and he's a level up. Yeah. Did I call Barra Cyclone Spin earlier? That's Barra. Barra's getting farm, bro. Like, Barra's trying his best to get farm, and by doing so, he's just getting farmed. Damn. They're just destroying them. They're just destroying them. There's no other way to look at it. They can do whatever they want right now. They can play this like a ranked game right now and actually have success. Being fire's ass, being fire's ass. Who's that? Dude. Exterminated. 3 of them are zoning right now. That's absurd. That's just absurd, dude. Let's do some late game Panda Cat. It's absurd how hard they won this game. I mean, I picked a bad game to do a video on because they're just destroying them. Okay, we get to watch Panda just shoot the fucking objectives while his teammates have fun. Let's go. Is this game? Oh, horse. He's destroying haddocks. Vin's never gonna ult. Vin's never gonna ult. God damn. They have really good target acquisition. They're really good at going in on the same person. It's just good comms. That's all comms. Obviously they don't have psychic ability. I wanna watch Sam again. I feel like Hebo is just a really cool character to spectate, especially the jungle Hebo. Okay, here we go. Let's see what he does with this Hebo ult. Dude, Fine is just being their ass. I mean, his team is getting to free cast. So you just use it on Titan. That's smart if you want to win the game. Okay. That's fun. I'm so excited that this is a thing. I didn't know this was a thing. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please leave a comment and obviously like the video. Here's the in-game stats. And yeah, peace out, guys.